Active Dual Knob Android 10.33-inch Universal Touchscreen Multimedia Video Player Stereo. You can watch videos on YouTube to keep up with current events. Various applications can be downloaded and installed through these app shops. Connect Bluetooth and you can play the list of songs from your mobile phone. Properly played videos can also alleviate fatigue and boredom during long journeys. You can adjust the DSP, ASP according to your preferences. If you need it, you're welcome to come and bother me.